Hi, my name is Delia Valenza and I am Export Area Manager at Magneti Marelli Parts and Services. Today, I would like to talk to you about Magneti Marelli Checkstar. We are a large family that can count on a worldwide network of workshops and partners. Do you know why Magneti Marelli Checkstar can be the right choice for your workshop? First of all, the number of customers in your workshop will increase. Magneti Marelli Checkstar is a brand recognized and appreciated by customers for the reliability of our services and spare parts. You will have all our technical know-how at your full disposal, and you can count on 100 years of experience. In addition, you will have a single partner who will support you in developing your workshop, projecting it into the future. But it doesn't end there. Together, we will build a marketing strategy and support you in promoting your business, providing you with tailor-made marketing materials. You will benefit from the high recognition of the Magneti Marelli brand, which is constantly growing. Also thanks to a marketing initiative that we can develop together. The Checkstar business model is now being launched in the United Kingdom. Together with our partner Smart Auto Services, we have just opened the first Magneti Marelli Checkstar workshop in the country. An incredible milestone that represents only the beginning of our brand strategy in the United Kingdom. As you can see, Magneti Marelli Checkstar truly represents a very solid growth opportunity for your business. Make the right choice for your workshop and come into the Checkstar world!